Lesson 1, Understanding Globalization, Grade 5, UAE Social Studies. What do you mean by globalization? Answer, the process by which business or other organizations develop international influence or start operating on an international scale is known as globalization. What do you mean by products? Answer, an article or substance that is manufactured or refined for sale is known as a product. What do you mean by alliances? Answer, a union or association formed for mutual benefit, especially between countries or organizations, is known as alliances. What do you mean by international? Answer, existing, occurring or carried on between nations is known as international. We live in a global world that we have global economy. What does it mean? Answer, it means we are all dependent on each other with regards to trade, ideas and culture. The traders are extending their areas of business by seeing the world as a global market. Countries come together as one big global economy. What does it mean to live in a global world? Answer, to live in a global world means to take into consideration the culture, ethnicity, regions and living situations of everyone around the world. Global language. What is the language used mostly in international communication? Answer, English. Global fashion. What clothing styles are used by most of the people? Answer, the clothing style worn by most people are dependent on their ethnicity, geography, climate and cultural traditions. Global trade. Which country produces most of the goods? Answer, most of the goods are produced by China. Which currency is used the most in international trade? Answer, the currency that is used the most in international trade is US dollars. Global customs. What is the most common greeting? Answer, the most common greeting are hello, hi and hey. What are the most common holidays? Answer, the most common holidays are New Year, Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Christmas, Diwali, Easter, etc. Think about examples of globalization you see every day in the UAE. Answer the questions to complete the table showing examples of globalization. What languages do you learn in school? Arabic, English, Hindi, Malayalam, French, Urdu, etc. Name some coffee shops or restaurants in the UAE. Murjan Coffee Shop, Gazebo, India Palace Restaurant, etc. Which country was your car made in? USA. Which country are you from? India. Which country have you visited? Saudi Arabia, Georgia. Which country do your favorite food come from? India. What are the advantages and disadvantages of globalization? Advantages. Easier to communicate throughout the boundaries. International trade of information and goods. Better and cheaper products. The transport of the product is easier and faster. Cultural interchange. Creates more job opportunities. Improves standard of living. Disadvantages. Delocalization creates unemployment in developed countries. The businessmen and the big companies are the only winners in globalization. Exploitation of the workers in the developing countries. Money problems can easily be spread. Non-controlled circulation of money. No ethics. Globalization could give rise to health risk. Overuse of resources. Fill in the blanks. The most commonly spoken language of the UAE are Arabic and English. Individual countries may compete each other for resources. An article or substance that is manufactured or refined for sale is called a product. People from more than 200 countries live and work in the UAE. Communication system of the UAE allows people to connect with each other. Name the following, a term used to describe the changes in societies and the world economy that are the result of increased trade and cultural exchange. Globalization, a union or association formed for mutual benefit, especially between countries or organizations. Alliances, involvement of two or more countries of the world. International. Answer the following. How does having products from different countries improve our lives? Answer. People can choose products that have good quality and low price in the market, such as clothing, technology, cosmetic, etc. Lowered costs help people in both developing and already developed countries live better on less money. Globalization leads to alliances. Give reason. Answer. Competition over resources sometimes lead to conflicts between the countries. At times, some countries form alliances to help each other, leaving out other countries. The location of the UAE attracts people from different countries. Comment. Answer. The UAE is located in the Southwest Asia, a connection point between the coast of Oman and Arabian Gulf. Due to the strategic location, it is easily accessible from other parts of the world. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.